This is HPECSC Bangalore, welcoming you all to this fabulous event called There Is No Place Like Working From Home. Well, I'm Ada, your host, and I'm so glad to connect once again with you. I think this is after 4 years that I am here with HPE once again. I was in the US for all this while, and I really missed all the conferences and all the parties that we have had together. So, well, I can definitely say thank you so much for having me back. वो कहते हैं ना कि बहुत ही कमाल का शेर है. I really wanted to say that to you. Yes. मैं सारी महफिल ये ऐलान करता हूँ, वो जो दूर बैठा है मुझसे मैं उससे प्यार करता हूँ. मैं उसे देख तो सकता हूँ पर छू नहीं सकता, फिर भी यही गुनाह है इश्क में बार बार करता हूँ. I know the times have changed. It is a little challenging time. Physically, we cannot meet each other, but virtually, we can definitely make the most of it. And as we all know, HP has always been the leader as far as technology is concerned, success is concerned, or celebration is concerned. So here we are, once again, ready with one more celebration. So today, this 1 hour is going to be absolutely full of entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. And all this entertainment is going to be brought to you by your very own stars of HPE. So get ready because we are going to raise the curtain very soon. All right. Honestly speaking, when I heard that, okay, there are going to be internal performances, I thought so that what can be at the best? Maybe some bathroom singers or maybe some balcony aspiring poets. But then I ended up attending the last 2 days sessions and I was mind boggled. You guys have some amazing talent. And that is what is going to come to the fore. So get ready. I am promising you a very exciting 1 hour to come from now. All right. We have some great sessions coming up after that also. I'll inform you about that later. And we have some great surprise coming towards the end of the session today. So hang on and be there. Okay. So come on, guys. Let's begin. Let me see everyone. Can I see all of you? Are you guys on there? Okay. First and foremost, you have to have your videos on. You can't not have your videos on. All right. See, if I had to, or we had to, have like a telephonic conversation. मुझे अगर सिर्फ आपकी आवाज सुननी होती, we would have done a con call. But we want to be face to face with you. So get your faces on the video. Very important. All right. So now let me begin with an introduction here. As you all know, I have been with you before. I'm Ada, an anchor, actor, performer. Have been on television with loads of serials and leads and negative leads. And now I'm into healing therapies, a glimpse of which you will see in the next 2 sessions tomorrow and day after. That's all about me. I am going to now get some introductions from you. I see Rajesh is here with us. Hi, Rajesh. Hello. A very warm welcome. We have
Hi, good
Neil.
morning.
Good morning. We have Neil Newton with us. Hello, Neil. How are you?
Hey, good morning. I'm good, thank you. How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic. So excited to be with you guys once again. You know what? I am not seeing many people on the video. We have to have this one as the first rule. Videos are supposed to be on. Your videos are supposed to be on. Where is Balakrishna? Kishore Krishna? Where are you? Radhika? I can't see you. You're the star for today, okay? I really need you to be there. We have Surajit, Banik, we have Sindhu, Ajay, Menon. Please, all of you guys, switch on your videos, switch on your videos. Listen, we don't care how you look. Even if you're in your pajamas and boxers, and even if your hair looks like probably a bush, I don't care. Be on the video because all we care about is your hearts. Okay? So, yes, Surajit, thank you for coming up and again going back. Please come back. Thank you. Yes, hi, Surajit. Good morning. Okay, let me see who else is joined in. We have Balakrishna. Very good morning, Balakrishna.
Hi, very good morning.
How are you feeling today? Did you have your breakfast?
Yeah, not it.
You should have had because now you will need a lot of energy. Even if you're having your breakfast, no switching off your video phone. Okay? You promise me that?
Yeah.
Great. All right. Okay. Who else has joined us over here? I still see pictures. Okay, guys. I am going to let you know about the rules, the very important 5 rules that we're going to adhere today with. Okay. So please get that one. First, rule number 1. Your video has to be on every single minute, every single millisecond of the time that we are here in this call together on Zoom. Okay? There is no option to this rule. Absolutely not. Second, your names. Please punch in your real names. Please, I don't want to see any numbers, any codes. If you do that, I promise you, with your code, I will add something so hilarious that you'll be stuck with that name for an entire year by your company. Okay? So you better have your real names over there. Very, very important. So no Michael Jackson, no Priyanka Chopra in the name, and no numbers. Thank you so much. We love your names and we love your faces. So we have to have both of them. Number 3. Very, very, very important. Please, no background sounds and no background people, no backgrounds except for your static background, okay? So please lock yourself in the room. Come to this thing that we're going to have. This is going to be fun, okay? So for next 1 hour, you are mine. You're not going anywhere, and I'm not sharing you with anyone. So no people and no sound whatsoever. Please make sure. One more thing that is very important is that entire world is just changed. So we are kind of now dependent on technology. So there are possibilities of glitches that might happen. Please bear with us. Stay with us. Hold on, and we will take care of it in a couple of seconds if at all anything goes wrong. Okay? So these are the rules. 1, camera, very, very important. 2, your original names have to come in. 3, very, very important, your background has to be clean, clear with some sound and people. 4, glitches might happen. Keep up with us. Now, 5th, which is a very, very, very important one. We will have performances today, as I already told you. Okay, so you will all stay in mute. Otherwise, whenever there is a performance, the moment the performance is over, please unmute yourself, come back with open heart and everything that is true in your body put together. Big round of applause you're going to give to all our performers, and all the adulation is welcome. And you know what is really welcome? Your sitya. I really want to hear sitya shitya. Okay? Anybody knows how to whistle? Anybody knows how to whistle? No? Surjit, no, मैं तो शरीफ हूँ, मुझे सिटी मारने नहीं आती. Surjit, I am absolutely sure you are a good whistler.
No, totally you got wrong.
No?
No.
You're sure? आपने कभी किसी लड़की को नहीं छेड़ा अपने टीम्स में?
No.
This is so not happening. कोई बात नहीं है. We will have a personal training for that, Surjit. Yeah. That's something you should not miss in your life, right? So get ready, everybody who knows.
This is recorded, right? So he can't tell.
Well, there comes my friend, Sridhar. Very good morning.
Good morning, Sridhar. I am so glad you're giving out on those secrets. And I want you to be my personal friend, agent. आप जिसके secrets मेरे सामने खोल सकते हो खोल दो. I would love to have that. And then we will see what we're going to do. We'll use it against them if they don't keep their videos on. All right. Sridhar, are you with me?
I'm there.
Okay. All right. Where is Sridhar?
He will be always there. Don't worry about that. Next 1 hour, he won't go anywhere.
I understand, but I can't see his video on. Where is Sridhar?
Final touches, maybe?
Okay. All right. Okay. All right, Sridhar, I hope I'm going to give you 9 seconds. That's my lucky number, and that is all that you have because we are about to begin with the performances over here. Okay. Sindhu, Abdul Latif, Ajay Menon, Taran Jain, Giri, Devashish, Banerjee, Salman Farooq, Prashant Nair, Radhika. You're still not on the video. All of you guys, switch on your videos. Come on, quickly. We're waiting for you. Once you come on the video is when we can really begin, right? So we are really, really getting late now. We need to begin. Can we please have you on your videos? How is the lockdown going for everyone? I see loads of miracles that have happened with loads of people in this lockdown. Do you feel that you're finally talking to yourself? You're knowing yourself? Anybody? No? Sridhar? Devashish is smiling. Why is Devashish smiling? Devashish, tell me, what did you do in this lockdown? Do you have a naughty smile on your face?
Oh, nothing special, Ada. It's work, and now we are enjoying these programs.
Nice. My God, that was a very, very corporate answer given to me. I will. हम आपसे थोड़ा backstage मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद. I'm going to get, because you had that naughty smile the moment I said, what all did you do in your lockdown?
You can see Satya is cooking actually. He's giving a live demo.
Satya, you're cooking. What are you cooking?
He's making dosa, I guess.
Oh wow, I miss the food there, especially the Bangalore food. I used to love having so much. You have some awesome eateries there. Amazing food in Bangalore. I'm missing that. I really hope the lockdown gets over. First place I'll come to is Bangalore. All right, so I'm going to let you know that all the performers that we have today, they are going to get, all of them are going to get the goodies, okay? And so we will be delivering the goodies to you at your doorstep for the ones who are living in Bangalore. For the ones who are not, you will be, whenever we receive in the office, you will be getting your goodies at the office itself, okay? So for all of you, there's going to be some amazing goodies, but if you don't perform well, I will not give those goodies to you. Number two, we are going to have some amazing contest today, okay? And the contest is going to be about what is the most embarrassing moment of your life. Okay, so you have time to think. When I ask you, I will randomly pick up people, or maybe you can wave with something very nice to share. Please wave at to me, okay? So then I can always get you in and you can share your embarrassing moment. This is going to be the contest. The most embarrassing one really wins. I'm going to share mine too. I hope someone really surpasses that because that was very embarrassing for me. So that is going to be there. We'll have some questions and answers. And is there anything left? As it comes, I will let you know. Okay, so shall we all begin? I still don't have Radhika N in. Kishore, Krishna, Sindhu, Prashant, Tarun, Salman, Ajay Menon, can we please have your videos on? Please, 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 please. Can we please do that? Thank you so much, Radhika. We have been waiting for you. You're the star today. How can you not be there? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, fabulous. Kishore, Sindhu, Ajay, Prashant, and Tarun. I still don't have you guys. So come back quickly. We are going to begin now. It's time to raise the curtain. Are you guys ready? Yeah? Just for a second, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Everyone, quickly.
Yes,
Apne aap ko
sir,
unmute
we
kar
are ready.
dijiye. All of you unmute yourself. All of you unmute yourself. Super duper. What a beautiful platform that I feel HPECSE Bangalore has created, getting us all together, getting us all connected, having the celebrations. I think, don't you think? Huge round of applause for them. Come on, put it up for HPECSE Bangalore, everyone. Absolutely brilliant. Keep doing this. Please whistle. Yes, I like that, Abdul. Yes. Keep whistling because this one is going to be a big round of applause for all the performers who are going to come up. Are you guys ready?
Yo.
Yes?
Yes.
All right, let's have one amazing 3 cheers for everyone. Hip hip!
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hip hip!
Hooray.
Hey.
All right, on that note, please mute yourself because no, hold on. I'm going to introduce my very first performer today, and he is going to be someone very, very incredible. Let me tell you. Let me see who is with us. Oh, yes, there he is. Please put your hands together for our very first performer. Coming up on screen is going to be none other than Abdul Latif. Let's have it. Come on, everyone, let me wave it for him. Ladies and gentlemen, Abdul Latif on your screen.
टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया गिरता हुआ आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। होके अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा, होके अपने पर ही तो, होके अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा। तुमको अपने साथ में ले ले, दर्द भी तेरे काम आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। ये रूह भी मेरी, ये जिस्म भी मेरा, उतना मेरा नहीं जितना हुआ तेरा। तूने दिया है जो वो दर्द ही सही, तुझसे मिला है तो ये नाम है मेरा। आसमान ढूंढे तेरी जमीन, मेरी हर कमी को है तू लाज़मी। ज़मीन पे ना सही तो आसमान में आमिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा है दिल है मुश्किल।
Wow, absolutely amazing.
नमस्कार देवर सज्जनों, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में आप सबका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम है अमिताभ बच्चन और आज हर सिख पे हमारा साथ बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड के सितारे आ चुके हैं और हम उन सबके साथ खेलने वाले हैं पंचकोटी महामणि कौन बनेगा करोड़पति। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। चलिए हम सबसे पहले मिलते हैं हमारे जाकी दादा से मिलते हैं। अरे बड़ू जाकी दादा, दाब मेरा बच्चा है दो। लकड़ा वकड़ा करने का नहीं था, बस अपना पंचकोटी महामणि जीतने का है और जाने का है। बड़े लोग आता है, बड़े लोग। चलिए सज्जनों, हमने जाकी शराफ से मिल लिया है और हमारे अगले कंटेस्टेंट है शाहरुख खान। चलिए शाहरुख खान से कुछ सवाल करते हैं। इधर आगे आप कैसा फील कर रहे हैं शाहरुख साहब?
मेरा नाम शाहरुख है। बड़े बड़े देश में छोटे छोटे बातें होते रहते हैं। किताब बात थोड़ा तरीके खेलने
हम अभी शाहरुख से भी मिल चुके हैं और हमारे जो अगले कंटेस्टेंट है उनका नाम है ऋतिक रोशन और ये जो है कोई मिल गया के स्टाइल से आ रहे हैं। चलिए स्वागत करते हैं। कैसा फील कर रहा है ऋतिक जी आप इधर आते?
मैं अपने पापा से सीख के आया हूँ सर। मेरे पास अभी जादू है, मैं जादू से सीख के आया हूँ। तो कोई मिल गया फिल्म से आ रहा हूँ। मेरा नाम ऋतिक रोशन है। आपने बोला था अपने पापा से सीख के आया। मैं आज अपने पापा से सीख के आया हूँ। अपने पापा से सीख के आया हूँ मैं कंप्यूटर। मैं जादू सिखाता है मुझे। मैं अंतरिक्ष जादू को बुलाऊंगा। मैं अंतरिक्ष बुला के मैं जीतूंगा। मैं केबीसी जीतूंगा। मैं बूस्ट पीता हूँ, बोनवीटा पीता हूँ। अभी कोई मेरा मजाक नहीं उड़ाएगा। मैं कोई मिल गया मूवी से आया हूँ।
हमारे अगले कंटेस्टेंट है जो बहुत ही फेमस है अपने मूवी से। फिर हेरा फेरी मूवी के बहुत ही अच्छे कलाकार हैं वो। मैं आज उनको अभी बुलाने वाला हूँ। बताइए आप कैसे फील कर रहे हैं? अरे बाबा ये कैसा शो है? अरे बाबा मेरा को इधर बुलाया, मेरे को बोला था 10 लाख रुपए देगा करके, बोलिए कैसा शो है बाबा? तो बुला के आ रहा है, मैं भी सन्नी को बुला के आता हूँ, सन्नी देओल आया उसको बुला के आता हूँ। मार दिया पुलिस, मार दूंगा, तोड़ दूंगा, फोड़ दूंगा, मेरे भाई को अगर कोई इसने हाथ लगाया तो भीतर सोलर कुत्ते कमीने। मेरा नाम संजू बाबा है, मेरे को सब बाबा करके बुलाते हैं। संजू बाबा मेरा नाम है, मैं आज खेलने के लिए आया है इधर। संजू बाबा बाबा मुन्ना भाई बीबी ऐसे रे भाई। चलिए देव सज्जनों, अभी आप आशा है कि अभी आपने सब कलाकारों से मिल चुके हैं और मैं आगे चाहता हूँ और अपने ह्यूलेट पैकर्ड एंटरप्राइज के सारे मेरे मित्रों को मैं शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ इट्स टैलेंट इवन के लिए। बोलता है धन्यवाद।
लगने लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। लगने लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। आने मेरे दर्द कमर से आने मेरे दर्द कमर से, याद में तेरी नैना बरसे। फोटो में है नाम तेरा, सांसों में है नाम तेरा, मेरा दिल गया 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 गया। लगने लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी।
मित्रों, मैं नरेंद्र मोदी आपसे हाथ जोड़कर विनती कर रहा हूँ कि आप सब लोग अपने अपने घरों में सुरक्षित रहें, क्योंकि जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कोविड-19 का जो मामला है बहुत ही गंभीर है, इसलिए हमने फिर से लॉकडाउन करवा दिया है। तो कृपया करके सब लोग अपने घरों में सुरक्षित रहें। हम सब लोग मिल करके कोविड-19 को, इस कोरोना महामारी से छुटकारा पाएंगे, क्योंकि भगवान भी जो भरोसा करता है उसके साथ में होता है। Sorry guys, just try to do the mimicry of Prime Minister. Hope you guys will like it. Thank you.
Wow. Oh my God, this was multi-talented performance. Lateef, awesome. Come on, unmute yourself, guys. Everyone unmute yourself. Quickly. Videos on. I see loads of them. You have gone. Unmute yourself and give a huge round of applause. Everyone. Lateef, you were brilliant. Absolutely awesome. Where is Lateef? Wait at us, Lateef. Where are you?
Thank you, Ada.
You're welcome. Okay, question I have for you. आपने उसमें कहा that आप Bonvita पीते हैं, that you drink beer, right? That you drink Bonvita. You know that it is called beer, not Bonvita, right?
No, actually don't drink beer.
Really? You're sure about it?
Yeah.
Anybody to give the secret out right there? Does he drink or not? Who can vouch for that? All right. Seriously, I'm not going to mess around with you. आपका तो 2.5 किलो का हाथ है. उठेंगे नहीं, उठ जाएंगे हम लोग. So thank you so much, and Modi Sahab, very well done. Not bad. Not bad.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. So once again, huge round of applause for Abdul Latif. Thank you so much, Abdul. And now we are going to hold on. We are not going to. Can you please unmute yourself, everyone? Unmute yourself. Siddharth, unmute kar dein. Balakrishna. Siddharth, I don't have you on the video. I know your picture is amazing. You look absolutely dashing and handsome, but you need to get on the video. Salman, Radhika, Surajit, Akshara, everyone get on the video. Get on the video, guys. Come on, come on, come on. This is not done, okay? All of these, my lovely performers have come here especially for you. And if you're not doing that, it's not happening. You're breaking their heart. Let's not do that. Moving on to our next performer. So one secret that you all have to give up to me, okay? Unmute yourself, please unmute yourself, because you have to answer this question. Every single company that I have worked for has one selfie queen, okay? There's this one girl whom always you will see doing always. Who's going to give me the secret? Who's the one in your company who keeps on clicking her pictures, selfies? Or a king, you just never know. Anybody else who's a selfie queen? Think about it. Think about it. Okay, we will come back to that. You think about it. Ah, Neil, you're smiling. I know that you have the answer.
No, I'm looking at the chat. I'm paying attention to the chat.
Oh, okay. I have to tell you that during the performance, after the performance, whenever, if you want to say something, you want to comment, you want to compliment, please put it in the chat and we will read it out to everyone. Okay, don't forget to do that. For now, we are going to move to our next performer. You know, there was a time when I wanted to get into photography because that's the only place where you can shoot and cut the heads off and not go to the jail. But well, I realized that that's not photography is what all about. But I'm going to get someone who is the photographer. You are going to see some amazing collection done by him. Ladies and gentlemen, please, please, please put your hands together for none other than Sharan Bajaj. I can't see you all. Come on, let me hear it. Everyone. Wow, absolutely brilliant. Unmute yourself, everyone unmute yourself. Quickly, quickly unmute yourself. I can't see you doing that. Unmute yourself quickly and let's have a huge round of applause. Come on. Wow. Sharan, that was amazing. That was really amazing. Sharan, I saw that picture of yours where there's clouds and there's a ray of light coming in. Yeah, it's called World Mirror, something like that? Yes, amazingly done. Beautiful, beautiful. I see that they say that photography is all about the photographer's eyes, the way he looks at the world. Yes, so you do see that we are going to cross all of this and we will have the beautiful sunshine again in our lives, yes, which we anyways have now because I'm here with you. Just kidding. All right, give it up for Sharan Bajaj. Everyone, let me hear it. है मेरे बंदों की कौन सीटियां हो जाए चलो लड़कों के लिए शायद नहीं बजाओगे all right let's move to our next performer but before we do that I want all of you to get on the video. Arunam, please come on the video. Shan, Lujo, Tarun, Prashant, come on, thank you so much. Please don't go off the videos because we need your presence over here, right? Also, one more thing that I'm going to let you know is since we were talking about photography, we have a little contest here. You know how to take screenshots. You have to take the screenshot of everyone when they are up on that screen. Okay? The best screenshot will be the winner. Also, the best pose will be the winner. So you guys be there. Keep clicking those screenshots. And immediately send us on your chat, say that you have it, and maybe probably you can send us that later on, and then we will see what, how, and where we can tell you who the winner is. We will do that towards the end of the show. For now, let's move on to our next performer. बहुत मुश्किल है तेरे दिल पे मेरे दिल की कहानी लिखना. बहुत मुश्किल है तेरे दिल पर मेरे दिल की कहानी लिखना, जैसे बहते हुए पानी पर पानी लिखना.
Wow.
I don't think I can do anything with my words, but I have got someone who can do a lot with his music. So please put your hands together for our next performer, Abhishek Das. Come on. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my, everyone unmute yourself. Right now, unmute yourself. We have to give him a big round of applause. Everyone. Oh my God.
Fantastic voice.
Oh my God.
Amazing.
Ah, I have a question for you. Seriously. So, did you not just play guitar also? Did you sing also?
Yeah, I do sing. I play the guitar and also I do play the piano.
Wow, oh my God. We have what are you doing in IT? Why are you not in Mumbai? Why are you not in Bollywood?
Yeah, well stuck over here only.
Oh my God, seriously, you are such a stage artist. You are so amazing.
Thank you.
सीटियाँ seriously सीटियाँ किसको आती है? Desperation में बोल रही कोई सीटी बजा दो भाई. This is चलेगा, वो भी चलेगा. Oh my God, absolutely. You know, seriously, thank you so much for singing the song Teri Mitti Mein Mil Jawa. It was so heart-touching. I think you just touched that chord of patriotism, you know. I think all of us, let's have with Abhishek, Jai Hind, everyone. With me, Jai Hind.
Jai
Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Kya baat hai, Abhishek, you just nailed it. You just did it. Now I have a question for you. You have to answer that honestly. You sing. You play piano, and more than anything, you play guitar. ये जो गिटार बजाते हैं ना लड़के, somewhere or the other in your life, at some point, you have tried to win over a date with that guitar. Have you done that?
Yeah, I have done that a couple of times.
Couple of times. And did you get one?
Yeah, I got one.
See, honestly, क्या बात है भाई, ये एक अलग आर्ट है. इसके लिए जोरदार तालियां बनती है. Not bad, Abhishek.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely brilliant, astounding. Thank you so much. You got amazing compliments over there. I think everyone was writing there that you nailed it. Your voice is amazing. Your music is amazing. Thank you so much, Abhishek.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ada.
All right. Now it is time for us to move to our next performer, and he is going to create a magic for you. Let's put up our hands together for none other than Gopal Jha.
खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है अंजाम है ते मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है ये दूरियां फिलहाल है ओ खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है
That was a short and sweet performance by our lovely Mr. Gopal Jha. Gopal, आप कहाँ हैं? Can you please wave at us? Can you please wave at us? Gopal, are you there? Yeah. There he is. Gopal, I have to tell you now, just visualize this, all right? The way he was on the screen, his face, if you put him in a frame somewhere in 70s, you know these portraits होते थे महाराजाओं के जहाँ पगड़ी पहनकर माला पहनकर तलवार के साथ खड़े होते थे. Your features are so much like, you know, a Rajwada, a king or something like that. So by any chance, is your lineage from there?
No, we're related.
No, we're related.
IT support guy.
Oh, just an IT support. It's, trust me, you look like that. आपका एक ऐसा पोर्ट्रेट जरूर कराना माला पहनकर पगड़ी पहन के हाथ में तलवार लेके खड़े हो जाना. You will actually look like from 70s. Really, your eyes are like that. So, ये जो आपने इतना दर्द भरा गाना गाया है, आपका दिल कौन से सन में टूटा था? When did your heart really break?
Never have I like any sort of experience, but that was more related with the that actor whom I was dedicated that song. Sushant, like
Sushant. Oh yes.
Yeah. It was pretty much to him.
Yes, he was a dear friend, and what a fabulous person he was. Thank you so much for doing that. I'm quite sure he's listening to you. He's right now present with us, and he was a fabulous person. We worked together for a couple of serials, and
Great.
so much of positive energy that guy had. So much of positive energy. It's unbelievable. He used to be the driving seat in our entire bus of the shoot. We are generally 150 people at the shoot, but Sushant was the one who drive everyone. So yes, we send him a huge round of applause from all of us to Sushant for being so wonderful and giving us such great entertainment. And thank you so much, Gopal, for your wonderful rendition. Thank you so much. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. What we are going to do now is, I am going to, before I go ahead, I want someone to talk about their embarrassing moment. Uske pehle, you want me to share mine first, or you want to share yours? Quickly, an answer. Who's going to share their embarrassing moment with me? Okay,
let the lady go first.
You are very smart. पहले बता दो, मैं बाद में, and then you have to promise me, Surjit, you will share yours. Done? Is that a gentleman's problem? Promise?
I can't hear you.
Ah, really? I like that. Okay, so let me begin with mine. Maybe then you will understand what I'm saying. So I was in a restaurant, a fine dine restaurant, candlelight dinner. There was a band playing and there was a piano, and I was with a gentleman, and he was going to propose to me. So he stood up, he came next to my chair, went on his knees, opened the box of the ring, and we looked at the band. And the band said, okay, and they started playing this song, which said, if I tell you you've got a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? And I didn't know where to look. I was red. People were laughing because obviously that was the wrong song that they played. I never saw that guy again, and I never went to that restaurant again. I'm till late embarrassed to know that someone could do that to me. That was one of the most embarrassing moments of my life. Did you have any one of those? Anybody? Think about it and let me know in the next one. I am going to move to our next performer. Okay, very normal question to everyone. What would you call a man who drinks beer for strength? Unmute yourself, quickly, answer, unmute yourself. Unmute, I see everyone muted. Please, Upasana, where are you? Surajit, where are you? Shan, Gopal, you're not supposed to exit because you finished your performance. Come back, please. Manasa, Sridhar, Ramesh, back on the videos. Unmute yourself, please. Radhika, unmute kar dein. Apne aap ko unmute kare. Tarun, unmute kare. Gopal, unmute kare. Haan. So the question is, what would you call the man who builds his strength by drinking beer?
Balbir.
Not that. Who is the one who said that? Wait, please. Who said that? Who said that?
Sridhar.
Sridhar. So it is Balbir. Absolutely right. So now coming up on screen is going to be our Balbir, because he is going to show us his singing prowess, and you will feel that bal in his singing. Let's welcome on the screen, ladies and gentlemen, Chandru. I can't hear you applauding. Come on, welcome him, everyone. Thank you so much. Chandru, can we have you, please?
बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, चुके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। सुलगती धूप में नाव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो। हम सहमी से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल आवारा था वो, याद हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, चुके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो।
Wow. Oh my God. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely, definitely. Huge round of applause. Absolutely brilliant. Chandru, you are amazing. Wow. Seriously, I mean, I'm amazed. You know what all comments that you got? Someone said that super se upar. Wow, amazing. So many more compliments. And yes, I think someone said that HP is all full of amazing talent. You're like all over. That is true. Well, let's give a huge round of applause to Sitya. Yaar. Ho jaye. Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute yourself. You're forgetting to unmute, so we can't hear you. Yes, there you go. Thank you so much, Chandru. You were really, really amazing. Thank you so much. Wow. So, are you married, Chandru?
Yeah.
Oh, तभी इतना दर्द निकल रहा है. I understand that happens. You know, Chandru, once Aryabhat was making a list of his friends who are not scared of their wives, and that's where Zero was discovered. So you see, we could see that in your voice, very trained, very disciplined, and बहुत दर्द था आपकी आवाज में. हम आपके साथ हैं. Entire HPE is with you. Let's hear it up for Chandu, everyone. Come on.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much for the wonderful performance. And now it is time for us to kind of stand up from our seats and dance along. Kyunki, now the one that is going to come up on the screen is not just going to sing or just going to narrate something. She is going to dance for us. इधर है वो सितंबर जो हुनर आजमाए, वो तीर आजमाए, हम जिगर आजमाए. Well, handle it if you can. Coming up on screen is Deepa with beautiful dancing. Wow, nice. Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute yourself quickly. Sita, Saad, Shan, Manasa, everyone unmutes themselves. Huge round of applause. Wow, absolutely brilliant. You were amazing, Deepa. Wow. This was Bharatnatyam, right?
Yes.
Yes, and amazing. And you were dancing on a wet floor. It rained.
Yeah, I did.
You took.
Fall also.
Yes, you took a risk. You could have broken your leg, but I think for that she really deserves a huge round of applause.
Thank you.
Ek to Bharatnatyam, such a difficult thing to do, and then on a wet floor. I think you did a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Deepa. How many years have you trained in Bharatnatyam?
About 6 to 7 years, yeah.
Oh, so you how many Ragmalikas did you finish? You've done your Arangitri?
Yeah, done.
Wow, nice. Guys, I don't know what you're doing in IT. You're so talented. Huge round of applause for Deepa once again, everyone. Come on. Absolutely brilliant. We are going to move to our next performance. They say some women, they dress to kill. Some women, they cook to kill. Some women sing to kill. You are going to be a die-hard fan of the next singer that we are coming up on screen. So put your hands together. Let me hear everyone. Put your hands together. Unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Please come back on the videos, everyone. Tabita, Surajit, Upasna, Saad, Manasa, Devashish, Radhika, Deepa, everyone back on screen. Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself, because your applause, your adulation is not going to the artist. Thank you so much. Huge round of applause. Please welcome on screen. Coming up is Sushma with her singing.
Hi all, my name is Sushma. I'm from GMS Tower. I'm gonna sing My Heart Will Go On from Titanic. I'm not a professional singer, so please, if I make any mistake, please don't mind. Here it goes. I see you, I feel you.
All right, nice. Unmute yourself, guys. Unmute yourself. Come on, everyone. Give it up for Sushma. Thank you so much, Sushma. Thank you so much. हमारी टाइटैनिक को पार लगाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I have seen that movie so many times, and every time I wait that maybe this time the pilot will, the guy who's taking the ship will know that he's not supposed to go into that rock, but he does it every time. It is not going to work. I guess you did it. You saved the ship. So a huge round of applause once again for Sushma, everyone. Let's hear it up. Let's hear it up. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, Ada.
Yes, Sushma. Okay, now everyone over here, have you been taking your screenshots? Has everyone anybody taken screenshots or just a shot from your mobile of your laptops? Don't forget to do that. Get the picture to us because we really want to see that one, how it is going, and give us our lovely pose. There has to be one click that we are going to get from our side where all of us will pose. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, we're going to quickly move to our next performance, which is going to be by a very good-looking man. Please welcome on screen Neil N. Newton. He is going to sing for us. Yes.
So sweet, so beautiful. Every day like a queen on a throne. Though nobody knows how she feels. Isolated, one day leaves. She moves like a breeze. Swear I go never out of my dreams. To have a shining day on my side. Sacrifice all tears in my eyes. Yeah, Aisha, Aisha. blast from above. Don't nobody tell how she feels. Aisha lady, one day you'll be real. Yeah, Aisha, passing me by. Aisha, my. Aisha, encontremos. Aisha, in my life.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is your boy Neil here. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is my share of telling you all that, you know, we're still here, we're still at home, we're still fighting, we're still surviving. I hope everyone's doing good. Stay safe, stay strong. This is just another phase and everything will be all right eventually. And oh, don't forget to wear a mask.
Nice, very, very, very nice. Awesome. You have some great compliments. Well, this is Abhishek saying, hey, Neil, ukulele, a cappella. Okay, great fusion. True musician, you are man, such talents, you're blessed and everything is on sync. Wow. We have Sharon saying, it's amazing, great brother, super talented. Sindhu says, great performance. Neil, we have Gopal Jha saying, innovative bro, and really, you were amazing, Neil. Give it up for Neil, everyone! Let's hear it up. Come on. Absolutely, wow. Guys, you are so talented. It's amazing to see that there's such hidden talent inside HP. You don't need any artist coming and performing for you. One thing is for sure. Now, since you are so talented, let's actually find out about one more talent, all right? I know since I have been with you for like a couple of years now, one more talent that you have is of drinking. Yes. So everyone, I'm going to ask a question and for the answer, everyone has to unmute. Quickly unmute. Quickly. Because for this, you need to answer. Okay? Niharika, you can also unmute yourself. It's okay. Okay, quickly. There is Anurag. Please come back on the video. Quickly, Surjit, come back on the video. Radhika, you're again gone. Please come back. I'd love to see your face. Please stay with us. Deepa, come back. Ramesh, come back. Panduranga, come back. And Upasna, I can't see you. All right, everyone, unmute yourself. The question is, you have to quickly wave your hand, and then you have to give the answer. You have to name maximum number of brands of liquor, of alcohol, in 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Who's going to answer? Quick. Everyone, quick. Who's going to drink? Yes, come on, go ahead, Rajesh.
Okay, Budweiser, Heineken, Budweiser, Heineken, Johnny Walker, VAT 69, Old Monk. Is the 10 seconds over?
Kind of.
Okay, not bad for a guy who doesn't drink.
Okay, so you don't drink?
No, only Coke.
Wow, Bhai Zoda Taliya, not bad pathology has. So you gave us 5 names in 10 seconds. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else to compete with Rajesh? How many brands can you name? You can name the same brand, but you have to add something new to it.
I can tell ABCD of alcohol.
Who's this? Can you wait, please?
My camera is not working right now for some reason.
Can you give me your name then? Because I don't know who's speaking.
Ravish.
Ravish, okay, all right, Ravish, no problem. Let's have your audio then. Your time starts now.
Okay, A for Astrocrat, B for Big Piper, C for Contessa, D for Director Special, E for 8 PM, F for Fun Drop, G for Green Label, H for Haywards, I for Imperial Blue, J for Johnny Walker, Kingfisher, then Lime Drop. We have
wow, you don't need 10 seconds.
Monarch, and I'm saying N. Nicholas. Nicholas number 1 is there. Old Monk. Peter Shot. And I am the one who doesn't drink. So I'm just missing out on names right now.
What do you say, Chandru?
You know, VAT 69, White Mastiff, Triple X Rum is there.
He should not teach his kids ABCD.
That is so true. Ravish, I have a question for you. By any chance, part-time, do you work in a bar or something?
Okay, so since 7 years I'm living with the friends who are there with me are all alcoholics. So
okay,
and I'm the only teetotaler with them. So they drink like every second day. So I know what all brands are there.
Not bad. I think give it up for Ravish, everyone. Wow, this version of ABCD I've never ever seen. Wow, and I think Niharika is right. Please never ever teach your kids ABCD. This is going to be very dangerous. All right, we move to our next performance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are going to move towards an amazing performer. लेकिन उससे पहले सिगरेट से क्या होता है? कैंसर. Alcohol से क्या होता है? Dancer. So let's have our next dancer on screen. It's Shan Ibrahim for you.
तुझे यादों में बजेगी देखा जो तुझे याद दिल में बजी गिटार दिल को आंखों से प्यार दिल में बजी गिटार आओ रहा कैसा ये नशा आओ रहा जीने का मजा अरे रे मैं तो गया रे दिल भी गया रे अरे रे मैं तो गया रे दिल भी गया रे अरे रे मैं तो गया रे
Welcome viewers, you are watching Peri Peri News Live with Shan Ibrahim. This is the news that matters. So let's not waste any more time, let's go catch the top 3 headlines for today. Corona Go, Go Corona hitmaker Ramdas Atavale to collaborate with Shakira for an anti-corona theme song. Economy back on track after alcohol sales in India is sky high. Girls are demanding with the government that the Pani Puri stalls are open right away. Guys, it is indeed a proud moment for India because the Indian hitmaker Ramdas Atavale is collaborating with Shakira, the Waka Waka hitmaker. Now, why are they collaborating? That is an important question. They are collaborating for an anti-corona theme song. Alcohol sale resumed in India a few days ago and people have gone crazy about it to such an extent that people are drinking more alcohol than they're drinking distillery water. It is good because the economy is progressing in the right way. But the problem is there is scarcity, guys. You're drinking so much that they're going to run out of it. Forget water, they're not going to run out of alcohol. Moving ahead, we have a guy who can come and approach and give us a solution for this. Yes, you heard it right. Here is a guy who's going to give a solution to the government of India. Who is this guy? What does this guy do? Yes, guys. So he is the president of Alcohol and Spirits Association, India. And his name is Chit Manjar.
Oh my God! Wow!
Namaste, sir. It's indeed a great moment for us to have you on the show. So first of all, how proud are you right now to be the president of Alcohol and Spirits Association, which is an association that is helping our economy go up?
I feel proud that I'm the president of Alcohol and Spirit Association. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆ ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ರೀ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಓಡಿಸಿ ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಚೈನಾಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
Yes, sir. Indeed. We are with you for all of this. but it depends who and all are going to be there with you. Not all. Sorry.
Hold on, Arvind.
Yeah, and tell me who doesn't like Pani Puri? Everybody likes Pani Puri. Pani Puri is a go-to food for all the Indians. But now the problem is Pani Puri shops are not open and all the girls are having some problem. It's become like one big scene.
I don't want you're asking for it. You're dying for it.
So now what's happening? The girls are fighting with the government saying that if boys can get pine shops open for them, why can't girls get Pani Puri shops? See guys, isn't that a valid question? So for that, we have a report.
Social media was flooded with messages and comments from women who wanted the government to take cognizance of their grievances. These women are right. Opening of wine shops contributed to the economy. Similarly, opening of Pani Puri stalls will help in an economic boost.
So guys, finally we have come to the end of the show. Peri Peri News Live with Shan Ibrahim. This is the news that matters. Okay, cheers. Until next time, see you.
Wow. Okay. I love that piece of information. Absolutely brilliant. Let's come on. Huge round of applause for Shan. Everyone. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Quickly unmute yourself. Thank you so much. Wow. Shan, can you please wave at us? Shan, where are you?
I'm right here. Can you see me?
No, you need to wave at us because there's so many windows.
Okay.
Can you? All right, Shan, so I have a question for you. You were brilliant. You were amazing. Awesome dancer, boss. Now, I need to know this Peri Peri thing. What is it? Is it like something you created?
No, it was basically a parody of what's happening right now with so many fake news going around. So we're like, just to showcase it in a proper news style is what we were planning to do. And there are 2 episodes of it actually on YouTube. So yeah, if anyone's interested, can have a look.
So this is your product. You have made this.
Yeah, we have made this. Yes.
Wow, you are really talented. Come on, everyone. Let's have a huge round of applause for Shan. Wow. Absolutely brilliant, Shan. Thank you so much for that wonderful news. It is definitely as spicy as Peri Peri. I have to say that. All right, thank you so much. We are moving to our next performer. She is a very gorgeous, a very scintillating, and a woman that keeps on appearing and disappearing on my screen. Please give it up for our next performer, Radhika M.
Ada, you're on mute.
I'm so sorry, my microphone is not working. That's why I was struggling.
Oh, that's right. No problem. But you are an amazing singer, Radhika. Seriously, so beautiful, so subtle. You are trained, right? You are trained in singing?
No, I'm not.
You're not, and you sing like this? My good Lord. Your voice is so beautiful, Radhika. It is a very studio voice. I have to tell you that. If you record songs, it's like a playback voice. So awesome. Beautiful. Let's give it up for Radhika. Everyone, come on. Let's hear it bigger.
Thank you.
Superb. You have amazing comments for you. You have amazing compliments. We have Surajit saying good going. Kavita saying wow. We have Lijay Ibrahim saying great song, great singing. Saad is saying fantastic. Abhishek is saying amazing singer. Sindhu says anytime, anywhere, all-time favorite song. Wow, that's a great pick for your voice, by the way. Thank you so much, Radhika. Thank you so much. Absolutely brilliant. Wow. Okay, now everyone, simple answer, simple question. You're supposed to answer this question. Unmute yourself quickly. Surajit, Shan, unmute yourself. Ravish, unmute yourself, everyone. The question is simple. You all are from IT. So everyone knows Java. What are the 4 kinds of Java? I know this answer someone will have. Come on. What are the 4 kinds of Java? Who's going to give that answer?
I can say Marjava.
Yes, and? Marjava, Mid Java, Lit Java, and Sadke Java. And this is what we are going to have for our next performance. You will Sadke Java on their performance. Coming up together, is this going to be the pack of 4? Please give it up for Pratap, Manasa, Niharika, and Dhanuja. You are supposed to clap along with this. Okay? Everyone, come on. Please welcome. Have a huge round of applause.
मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों हाँ क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों हाँ दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके हाँ झुमके कुड़ी नू नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के बन ठन के कुड़ी नू नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके हाँ झुमके कुड़ी नू नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के बन ठन के कुड़ी नू नचने दे
Wow, kudi nu nachne de. Unmute yourself immediately, everyone. Let's give a huge round of applause. Superb. So there are 4 corners of the some cities, and they come together, and they have put up this. Where are our performers? Wave at us. Come on, everyone. Niharika, Pratap, Manasa, and Dhanuja. Where are you? Yes, I can see Niharika. Manasa is right there. Thank you so much. You are so alive, and you're good dancers, guys. You're good dancers. Thank you so much. Absolutely brilliant. So, Niharika, are you married?
Yeah.
Now since you're a good dancer, you know how to make your husband dance on your tunes, don't you?
Yeah, I dance with my kids actually.
Oh, that is so cute. How many kids you have?
2 boys.
2 boys?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a lot. If you had had a daughter, I knew it was all right. But boys, that's something.
Yeah.
I hope all the boys are listening there. No, you're all wonderful. We just like that. All right, give it up for our lovely 4 dancers today. Niharika, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manasa. Thank you so much, Dhanuja. And thank you so much, Pratap. I can't see you. We don't have Pratap with us. I
He
guess
might
so.
be sleeping. He is doing night shifts.
Oh, all right. इस वक्त कौन नाइट शिफ्ट करता है भाई? It is amazing, you know, right now most of the people don't have work. They are actually just not sleeping and sleeping at odd hours because they don't have work. But I am so happy to see that you guys are working so much, surging ahead with your success. So I think let's have one last time, hip hip hooray for all our artists. Huge round of applause. Let's have it, everyone. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. I need you to unmute yourself. Everyone, quickly. This is the last round of applause that we have. Please unmute yourself. Karan, unmute. Sukriti, Lijo, come back on the video. Shan, come back on the video. So Rajit, thank you, thank you, thank you. And for the one last time, let's have it for everyone, for HPE, CSC, Bangalore, and your entire team of performers and all of you. Thank you so much for being so, so, so wonderful. Let's have it. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
God, I can hear you. Don't mute yourself. This is going to be the end of the show over here. But before I leave, I have to once again remind that all our performers are going to get the goodies, which will be delivered to you. For the ones who are staying in Bangalore, आपके doorstep पे आ जाएगा. तो for one who are not living in Bangalore, we will see to it that when the office resumes, you are going to get your goodies. Now, what you need to know is that this is not the end of the day. We have some great sessions. A special announcement. Your session of 3 to 4 has been shifted to 4 to 5. And you will have Riaz Basha, who's going to join you guys, talking to your leaders, and he will play a game of bingo. Time to earn some money. Okay? So don't forget that. Please be there. 4 to 5 is going to be Riaz Basha. And then we have one more at 8 p.m. You don't have to go to any comedy place because your amazing, famous comedian is going to be right there with you on this session. You will have Mark Zubair coming for you. This is going to be 8 p.m. sharp. And of course, your very lovely MJ is going to be with you as your anchor. So are you guys ready for these sessions all geared up?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes? So be there. And I hope that you have taken your pictures. Has anybody taken pictures today? Any screenshots? Anybody has taken? All right. So I'm going to request the console to take the picture for us. Deepa, come back. Ravish, come back. Niharika, Sushma, Sukriti. Everyone come back. We're going to pose. This is going to be the best screenshot today. Everyone come back. Niharika, Deepa, Ravish, Sushma, Radhika. We're going to have a picture. And let's see who's going to pose the best. Console, can we please take a screenshot of all for this one or a shot from your mobile? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Super duper. I really hope that they are captured. Let's give one more try to this. One more. 1, 2, 3. Smile. All right, fabulous. Thank you so much for being so wonderful. This is Ada Khan. I am your MC for now. Tomorrow, day after, we will meet again once again for this time mental and physical fitness, because we bring you an amazing session, mix of meditation with yoga. So don't forget to bring your yoga mats, your water bottles. Okay, someone needs to mute. Yes, so don't forget to bring your water bottles. Don't forget to bring your. Yes, is someone saying something?
We have another instruments person called Saad.
Saad is still left. Saad is still left.
Saad's performance. Yeah, please let us do the Saad's performance.
I sincerely apologize for this. We have one more performer left with us, Saad Mohammed. Yes, of course. How could I forget that? Sincere apologies. Saad, can we see you? Are you there on the screen with us? Saad. Hi, Saad. Hello. I sincerely apologize to you for this one. Since the list is going up and down, I'm really very sorry. Okay, so let's give it up for the last performance today. Saad, everyone, we have Saad Mohammed with us. Come on. Wow, so beautiful. Unmute yourself, everyone. Quickly, let's have a huge round of applause. Everyone for Saad. Saad, please wave at us. Saad, can you see you? Yes, thank you so much. That was beautiful. It was a very different instrument. I don't think most of them have seen. Please tell us about the instrument.
This is the Hawaiian guitar. It's called Mohana Veena. So this Spanish guitar was converted into a Hawaiian guitar.
Wow.
And I learned this at the age of 12, but after damaging one of my fingers, I couldn't play for some like 17 years. So I started again playing last year onwards.
Wow, talk about the perseverance story. Come on, everyone, let's have a huge round of applause for Saad. Saad, really beautiful. We really hope and wish that you keep going with this, because it's amazing that you can do it without what fingers are required for this kind of instrument, and you have made it without it. Not bad. Very, really amazing. Really amazing. Big salute to you, Saad.
Okay.
Absolutely brilliant. And what a lovely landing for this flight of entertainment. Thank you so much, Saad. Thank you to all my lovely performers. Do not forget, once again, your afternoon slot 3 to 4 has been shifted to 4 to 5 with Riaz Badshah. And then 8 p.m. you're going to be with Mark Zubair, the lovely famous comedian, with MJ. And I'm going to see you for now. I will see you probably tomorrow and day after. For now, I'm going to see you. Thank you so much for being so lovely. This is Ada. Have a brilliant day. Keep wearing the mask.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. See you. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Thank you, Ada. Bye.
Bye-bye, Ada.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.